We are here. Let's go. Stream. Capturing, all right. Stream. Okay, the audio is good. We're live. So, let me take you around. I have so far. It's been a while since I've streamed this. So we got some biomes. We've got caves. Some of them go to surface. I did make them smaller whenever they're going to surface. Sometimes you'll end up with something like that. Infinite world generation. All different corners of the map. And I'm pretty ashamed to say that's it. I mean, I have had a few ideas that I was working on, like mountains and stuff, but this is really as far as I've got. In 8 days, and I've been working pretty diligently on it. It's just the problem was I'm kind of new to Perlin noise, which is the main thing you use for this sort of world generation. Oh yeah, and moss and stuff. But it's got some rough. But yeah, for 8 days of game dev, it's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty difficult. Yep. Oh, let me close my door. But it's a process. Now, what I have here, and this is my next thing on the to-do list, is trees. I need to generate trees on the top of the world. That's very important and integral to the game. So, here I'm going to generate the forest points. So here, public, integer, forest points equals new int 4. Let me go check chat real fast. We're gonna go down here. New chunk dot forest points equals generate forest. Of course, this will be after biome type because here we're gonna minus biome dot type biome dot type equals forest. Forest. Obviously, we'll increase this. This is true minus it by 4. F 0. Hello, Apollo. What's that? Or horizontal. Horizontal biome type that. Forest. Horizontal type. What's that? This should generate a lot more trees in forest. Right? A new chunk. Keep fried. I got some Potac. Way too hot for me. Potac is good. Okay, so this generates the foliage. And then after foliage, we're going to generate trees. So. There we go. Foliage. So here, we're actually going to do I is less than forest points dot length, and then we do integer point equals points. Boom. See it in a second. If okay, so I need to get the previous chunks forest as well, so I don't have overlapping. So I need to do integer forest. I'm gonna do equals generate okay. Y minus 1 world I have to get the previous chunks biome as well. That's kind of annoying. Alright. Yeah, what is your problem? Biome equals world generate. What is it? Biome. Where does it get biome? World that get biome. World that get biome. X minus 1. Y. Boom. Boom. And that Lua? No, it's C sharp. Um, Make minus 1. I also have to do a check. If rev point dot blank 0, then -1. Alright, so if I also have to get just for cat. Are going to be. You will be consumed. That's all I'm saying. Um. Uh. I'm gonna do this. I don't really feel comfortable just like. Well, you could just have them generate away from chunk. Yeah. Yeah. If forest point is greater than 0 and forest point is less than 64. There you go. Voila, time the thing is fixed. And then rev point equals 0. Forest point minus prev point is less than 2. If that, and I'll be back. I have to go do something. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so multi-tile. So we're gonna create another dictionary. And it's gonna be multi-tile. Public meaning. Boom. We're gonna have stump, stalk, tree, top, rub, or grass. I need to capitalize all this. Boom. Okay, so type multi-tile. Boom. Initialization. I am gonna set up a little JSON file to do all this for me. Okay. Now it's just gonna have to be like this. It's a little annoying, but add multi-tile dot type. Pre-stall. Then multi-tiles. Multi not a tree. Strump? What's a strump? Hold on. There we go. Day after the game jam, I'm gonna do a lot of efforts. well. Rub. And then short grass, and then long grass. Nice. We have all the multi-tiles added. To be part of that dictionary. Again, it'll be part of the JSON. So, actually, these two variables are going to dictionary. Yeah, oh, well. It's for receiving the texture. 8. I'll have to. What is the difference between a hash map and dish? Difference between hash map. Yeah, you're weird. Alright, so back to multi-tile. Boom. Alright, so now we can do multi. Actually, just do a. Why is it doing? Boom. And then type dot stump. Wait, so Actually, wait. I can just... Does it work? Hmm. Okay. Okay, so... Sucks that we have to do this manually right now. Set up a JSON for each for me. Now, this really is too bad. Prepare for some annoying copy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I need a comma. Remember, that am a stalk top of yeah, Potac is the best. All right. One. Two. Two. There you go. No more errors. Beautiful. All right. So now that we know what block they occupy, um, Actually gonna move multi-tile type. Can't wait to have to boilerplate all this. I'll be so excited. Now that we've got that, multi-tiles. Chunks. I should really create tile. Create tile. X, integer Y. X, Y, chunk, position. There's rotation and type. Right. And then, integer rotation and tile dot type. Alrighty. Actually, I should probably move this stuff here. For shrub. Alright, doesn't have to be perfect. It's 28, 9, E, 2. Alright. So, now, I really have to specify all type. Stuff. We stomp. Alright. Multi-tile. So it'll look in multi-tile for definition. Actually, explicit. Yeah. So now it's tile type. Now it is correct. Um, that's nice. Here we go. That's actually really cool. Wait. Is it talk? Is it talk? I can hear myself. It is going insane. AI is going. Um, actually, we can just go over to tile. Oh yeah, get rid of these. Shrub. There it is. Actually, no, I can't. Long grass. There we go. Alright, so we're at tile right now. Yay. Um, hmm. Now it's simplified. Soup. Yeah. Alright, I have to clean this up later. Rotation equals rotation. Type. Type. How did I do this? Oh yeah, I have to run a check to make sure that it's not inside of another file. Um, um, hmm. You know what? Hmm. All right. Well, you're not. Okay. Um. Public cache map. File type. Uh. Texture to the array. Multi-tile. So we're gonna back here. Go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Make me a method that takes an existing texture and breaks it into 16 by 16 in a multi-dimensional array. The texture array. Okay. All right. So texture generator. Right, we're gonna comma here. Boom. Okay. Break into pieces. For each texture 2D in multi-tiles. I'm also gonna get rid of dot keys values. Actually, wait, no. This has to be a 4 because I have to get both values. 0, I is less than multi-tiles dot length count plus stupid. And then we do texture 2D texture equals multi-tiles. And then multi-tile pieces. Texture generator dot break into pieces. Why do you need my graphics? Doesn't even use graphics device. Oh, never mind, it does. Alright. Love ChatGPT. ChatGPT's great. And then we do multi-tile pieces. Type equals P. Perfect. Alright. And so I do have to have another class called keep going. Public original tile position tile actually x integer y I'm gonna set this to false despite Yeah, we don't. Probably. Chunk. Gate type. If static. Which all of these have to be static. Boom. Okay. You a programmer at any company? No. Freelance. But no, I'm not. I don't work for anybody. Um. Let's see here. Not equal null. Then we're gonna have to do public file multi. It's gonna be all of this. Um. I don't know why this has to be so. That was annoying. They're probably the glitchiest parts of most games. Hurts. Oh my god. This. This is quite annoying. Okay. It's two-dimensional. This maybe a chase. Don't care about Python. Is there no longer a stop generating button? Get length. Get length. 0. X plus plus. I'm gonna do Y. 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 Actually, no, we're not gonna do. Are gonna do. Actually, gonna be a void. Um. Um. Piece position. Back to back chunk. So tile equals type. How do I make a class clonable? Deep copy mechanisms are annoying. So what I'm hearing is that it's very annoying clone things. Which means that I don't have the time. So we're gonna do it later. Yay! Boom. Plus X plus Y. Q. Boom. Boom. And then else. Um. Um. Uh, position. So multi. Original position. Y. And if file does And oh, okay, get rid of it. Gate. All right. This, okay. And then 0 rotation. File type. Boom. Hey, now you get to copy and paste. File. Dot file. Type. And enter. Boom. Type. Rotation. Y. File type. Pro. Refactoring really is a torturous. Hate it. This is Tile. The game for a game jam. That also is why my code looks a bit goofy. Yes, it is. A little goofy is all. A little bit of goofy never hurt any. They're prized for top placements. The game gets put on Steam. Like a badge. But I'm more interested in the popularity. Because if you really want a game to like get pretty popular, it best to have a backing, and Game Jam is probably the easiest way to get a backing on the game. I mean, just look at that one game where it's like crawling on the floor with like no limbs when you have a gun. And I got like really popular for a good bit because it was in the Game Jam. So it really does work. Generate foliage. A little more left. But the problem with my stuff is that my code is pretty garbage right now because I'm having to rush to get it out. A lot of refactoring I want. Really good. Tile type. Oh. L game. Thank you, Jake. I work. Eyes beyond your ears. Oh, you code better. All right. We're gonna create trees. Um, Public. Void generate. Ooh, what if the tree extends past the chunk? God, having to go fix a bunch of issues that Terraria never had because it never had chunks. At least. Most of my crappy code comes from the fact that what if something generates around or over a chunk border? What do you do then? Really is a pretty big issue. Which is why I need something called a partial chunk, where it'll partially generate a chunk, let it fully generate some other time. Um, but I guess we're doing that now because I don't have a. I literally cannot finish without partial chunks, which means I have to add it to the object serializer. I have to add it. Oh, this is gonna take all night. God, amped. Partial chunk. Like, partial chunk. Gonna have all of this fun. And none of the methods. Yay! The variables that I missed. Not too bad at coding. You know what? I think this should be able to run on its own. Still, let's fix for bugs. Where are build errors? Exclude from project. So first we're gonna all of these tiles. Multi-tiles. Build. Run the game. Long grass. Hog. Okay. Do dot contains. Does it not support dot contains? Contains key type. Then okay. Now multi-tile, multi game one, multi-tile pieces, and type. But that's what I'm checking for! No sense. What is the point of this function? Like literally, why does this exist if it still throws this error? Makes no sense. Oh my god. It makes no sense. But that is literally the whole point of contains key. What? If the key is not in there, then... And if the key has to be in there, to check whether or not it's in there, it makes no sense! Literally, ChatGPT just gave me the exact same answer. You gotta be kidding me. I swear to God, if this fixes it, I'm gonna be upset. Later it comes down, wait, will be only the good die young. Skipped. I just have a sneaking suspicion this is the reason. That fixes it. I'm gonna be upset. Literally, what is the point of contains? What is the point? Like, actually. Okay, try. Uh, catch, exception, E, die. Oh. I'm going to kill myself. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gotta be kidding. Okay, well, my friends just banned my poor chatter. That's frustrating. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on partial chunks first, aren't I? And God dang. I have to figure out how we're gonna handle partial. Make my code a lot more efficient. I mean, I was gonna have to do it anyways, but now I'm having to do them earlier. Mhm. So I have to generate partial chunk every single time I do any of these on a chunk that isn't the main chunk. Um, and actually, each time a new chunk is generated, after the chunk is generated, I'm going to clear the partial chunk list. So load chunk. Every single time a chunk is loaded, it'll clear the partial chunk list and put them on their own separate. Yippee! Actually, before each. But partial chunks will just contain basic chunk information. But not all of it is complete. Which I will specify doesn't have a value. But this is really annoying. I don't like it. The fact that I have to do this kind of silly. But why are you taking me here? Okay, list. Public blank list. Partial chunk. Partial chunks equals new list of partial chunks. Let's start with it's annoying. That's so annoying. So annoying. So in the create chunk method, I'm gonna have to check to see if the partial chunk in that place had already been generated and what information has so guess if doesn't equal then. Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm not gonna initialize it. Stuff's gonna go back. Oops. No, you stink. You're not. You don't know who you're talking about. I'm the most amazing, epic person of all time. You are the stinker. About that sometime. I didn't even hear the ping. I was too busy coding. You know how it is. Alright, so yeah, it actually has to be before a chunk. So for each partial chunk in. Alright, who is it? Oh. It's for each partial chunk in. You know, okay, so apparently this person is saying something about the game jam. And might be struggle to play the game. It's multi. There will be a single player. That's for the losers. So now we have to go boom, boom, boom. Public. No, wait, what do I do? Static void. Why is write chunk file? Oh, it generates the path. Well, depends. Write partial chunk file. Boom. That's not even used. Okay. See, yeah, it's not even. Okay. So we're gonna have to do all of this fun stuff. Path. File path. String. File path. String. Partial chunk C. Mm-hmm. It's a good thing I can just copy and paste this. And boom. Boom. Wait, is this outside the namespace? Oh. Uh, extra. Insert partial chunk. Partial chunk. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So it is compressing and serializing and all that funky stuff just right. But so I need to have a method to retrieve partial chunk information. Why is that not static? Static. Fixed it. No, I did not. Could be static as well. I guess. Because, like, oh, but it has the world name. There's partial chunk, right part. World dot generate chunk. Also, serialize partial chunk. Also, wait, this can't be chunk file. It has to be partial chunk file path. Partial chunk. This is literally just a container for chunking, but just not fully complete. That's all it is. Partial chunk file path. And then we're gonna do a good old retrieve. Partial chunk. Partial chunk. Partial chunk. Okay. We actually don't need this. Stupid. Um. So, on creation of a new chunk, there is create chunk. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so that's annoying. That's annoying. That's really Tisk. Actually, first, object serializer. Okay. First of all, that needs to be a part of the chunk. Well, nah. That's annoying. Well, yeah, it should. Because it's before anything generated. Name type parse. But I also need to keep the height map, and I need to keep every one of these maps. Brilliant. Brilliant. Actually, does have a U. It's actually very fine. Okay, so we're gonna need make a serializer for my partial chunk class. Here is an example. Here it is, partial chunk class. And then we go here. And we let it generate it for me, because otherwise it'll take literally forever. Uh, not fine. And upon honesty, such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue. But honesty, hardly ever heard. Mostly what I need from you. Boom. Yay, ChatGPT. GPT, let's go. Okay, deserialize. Okay, so now we're gonna now make a deserialize method for it. Here is an example. Boom. Have it generate the other one. Why we love ChatGPT. It really is awesome. But I say they sympathize. Create the deserialize moss map, cave map, forest. Yep. Thank you. Writing the hitboxes? Why is it writing the hitboxes? Why is it writing that? Stop that. Actually, Bad GPT tabs. How does it know which one? Uh, They sympathize. Boom, boom, bum, 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 bum. Da, 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 da. Honesty, such a lonely word. Everything is so untrue. Da, da, da. Honesty, hardly ever heard. And mostly what I need from you. That was the wrong part to place it in. Am I stupid or something? Do, 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 do. Say they sympathize. Well, so hard to give. Honesty, hardly ever heard. Mostly what I from. Okay, so that should work. It should give me all the goodies. Um, Now it's just a matter of oh no. Oh, there's no check. Let's see. Object serializer. Is there a null check? No, there isn't. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, so that's annoying. Um, well, you know what? You know what? We're just not gonna do it. Look at that. We're getting rid of all of it. Make your computers run slower. I am so evil. Considering how slow a computer's read speed is, I actually think it might be faster to leave that stuff blank. Because, yeah. Partial chunk retrieve chunk retrieve partial chunk world generate partial chunk file path. And X, Y, that's it. Yes, all of those parentheses are necessary. Even if half of them were omitted, it would still be the same. We love C#. Oh, I just ate a pepper. Oh my god. Oh, that is awful. My god. Why are those peppers so hot? That's like pure capsaicin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm dying. Oh my god. Oh, why is that pepper in there? Oh, I went down the wrong tube as well. Oh my god, I'm lightheaded. Uh... I'm dying. I don't need this. Uh... so Oh my god, don't eat spicy peppers. Oh my god. Okay, okay. I think I'm good. So, it should work correctly now. Each time. Or each. Partial. Here's the list of partial chunks. Partial. New list. Partial. Boom. Partial chunks. Uh, Right. Sense. Right. Partial chunk. A partial chunk file. Partial. X partial chunk I. Partial chunk. Oh my god. uh. And then partial chunks. Boom. So now. Okay, so. If you place a well, okay. I guess if let's see here. So whenever you retrieve a chunk as well, you can also retrieve the partial chunk. Object serializer, let's go. Um, yeah, so object serializer, we can get the partial chunk, and if it doesn't equal null, then we can put it in. I can make like exploits. Who really cares about those? Well, nah, actually. It's good. This only calls whenever a chunk generates. So we're gonna do a public partial chunk. Get partial chunk. Boom, boom. X integer y. And then we can really just copy this here. Partial chunk equals receive partial chunk, create partial chunk file path. Chunk equals new partial chunk. Boom. And return chunk. We can also do the same for chunk as well. Let me copy this in. Okay, all of this code's fine. Get chunk xy. Boom. Makes my code a bit more readable and also provides me with this neat. Let's see. Well, also, okay, I guess this becomes a hash map. Let's go. Hash map. Avoid that. First of all, uh, equals partial at x y. Boom. Are you not? Oh. And parentheses for each partial chunk that it got values. Integer x, integer y, position in partial chunks dot keys partial chunk equals partial chunks dot their position. And just for readability. Boom. Okay. Now it has a purpose. It has a purpose. And this helps lag ever so slightly. Now that that works, fancy void set tile. Boom. Integer x, integer y. If x okay. Okay, I can do world dot find tile position x y. If world tile position position for x and your y position. Boom. If position does not equal 0, 0, else tile equals tile. Well, no, when a chunk regenerates, so if you load a chunk above where a tree's supposed to be, and then you load the chunk below it, then some of the tiles that go into the above chunk aren't going to be right. Because, I have to fix that. Yay! Which I have to do by checking partial. Chunk equals null. Yay, null. We love null. Let's go. Um, partial. New tiles equals retrieve tile if partial chunk equals world dot retrieve get partial chunk. Wait, this is in partial chunk. Boom. Equals chunk dot world get partial chunk x if partial chunk null. New tiles equal partial chunk. Thank you. Boom. Okay, so now we go over here. Title data does not equal null. If tile new tile equals new tiles dot I and j. I don't know why it made it I and j, but whatever. New tile does not equal null. Continue. Boom. Why? Thank you. Why does it keep getting confused on it? Okay. So that should retrieve all the tile data from put it injected into there. Okay. Amazioso. So perfecto. Vision is not equal 0, 0. Partial chunk equals world dot get partial chunk x and y. Actually, position dot x and position dot y. If partial chunk equals null, and then partial chunk equals new partial chunk dot x equals position dot x partial chunk dot y. Boom. And now we do a fancy why am I listening to it? Partial chunk dot tiles style honey still rock and roll. This dot x plus this dot y style honey still rock and roll. Doesn't matter what you say in the papers, it's always been the same old. Too many town and I can't get the sound. Oriented and it's your average. Ooh, I'm a different pair of pants. Yeah. Still
Yo,
rocking
dude.
low.
So I'm back. I just went to like a local church's youth group. That was fun.
Okay.
How are you though? How are you?
I'm good.
Hmm.
I'm good.
All right. Should I get pull?
Hold on.
All right. I think
Having
I'm trying to get used to the dev tools on VS. All right. There's some stuff. I'm wondering how I can work on this at school, right? Because code spaces probably doesn't work. Yo, that's epic. Oh my goodness. Also, are you oh wait, never mind. I think it's me, right? I'm forgetting the. Okay. How do I do this? Okay, so first step is to what? Do I set velocity to 0? Or vector t to 0? What do I
Oh,
like when it collides?
you have to whenever it collides, you have to reset the velocity to whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, okay, so if you hit something at an angle, you're still going to keep going. That's just that you're not going to go into the object.
But if it's a full stop,
go perpendicular to the which so if you're casting an array,
yeah.
then you need to figure out which two vertexes it hits, and if it hits those two vertexes, which you're gonna have to do anyways if you're drawing the array, find what the difference between the vertexes is, set that to the velocity times
Oh shoot, I forgot to
over the
record.
angle.
Hold on. Okay. So how far do you think we are?
Pretty decent.
Pretty decently far. Okay, that's good. That's good. We just need to put. Okay, so hold on, let me screen share really quick. I need help to understand this. If that's okay with you. I'm a little bit slow to learning things. I don't know if you could tell. Okay, so player, right?
So
Collides. So it collides, right? It's gonna collide. Collision is true, and this is old pause right here. So I would draw a ray, right? But then this ray, what equation would that be?
either slope intercept, which has the problem of infinite pi.
Yeah, especially if it's down, because this is going to be the most common, right?
So that's no good. Or you have to do like side cosine.
I think we're going to have to do that, and performance is not going to be that much of a problem, because it's only one entity that you have to worry about so far. Like, yeah, it's going to be scalar, but it's not going to be that bad, as long as we handle the client side, right? So, So how would you do that with cosine and sine? Because that's the main thing that I'm wondering about.
So
I think I already asked this, but I still I'm really stupid, basically.
honestly, why aren't we just dividing by the velocity of the player? Because the velocity of the player is the direction that it's moving in. So wait a minute. So like
Oh damn!
it's
Hold
just
on,
if
that's a
you're
good
just
point.
drawing a line from the velocity of the player, then just find where that line intersects with that line.
Intersects. But then how would you do that?
That wouldn't have the
Let's
same
say
problem with slope because it's just
exactly.
it's just division.
But then where would you use cosine and sine? That's
Well, you wouldn't.
you wouldn't.
Okay, so
Hmm.
let me.
Okay. Or let's say velocity is 0, 10, right? It's going down. Oh wait, shoot, we made this inverted. My bad. Dang it. Okay, 0, -10, so it's going down. We draw a ray using this angle. Like we generate an angle based on the velocity. So 0, 10 would be down. 1, 0 this way. 10, 10 up. Right? Stuff like that. We generate an angle. So point. Uh, Okay, angle. Damn it. Hmm. Oh, and then we get this Y. Yeah. We draw a ray from that angle, intercepts, but then how do we draw that ray? Hmm.
Okay,
How do
so
rays work? Maybe we have to make a new ray object somewhere in collisions, and then it's the direction, entities, and then it returns like I don't know, like a vector two of where it collided with. So if like the player's moving this way, we draw a ray from that direction based on this angle. But then how do we draw the ray? I think.
oh, wait a minute.
Hmm.
Okay, so I just realized something. One, our hitbox algorithm that we have is not capable of
Damn it.
doing any of the stuff that we are talking about
Okay.
because
Okay.
it doesn't tell you which vertexes it X with in the because but
Ah, dang it.
there is a way to substitute that, and that is by
Hmm.
having a separate hitbox for the foot.
Heck no. Okay. Personally, I think that is not a good idea.
Well, that's what every game does.
No, not every game. Like in Godot, right? You just make one hitbox for the player, and then it just works. You don't have a separate hitbox for the feet unless the feet are like separate entities themselves that can move a little bit differently.
Well,
Like
okay.
like if you wanted to do ragdolls, then you would have to do collisions for the feet, right? But the collisions on their own, the feet are just
Well, no. Whenever you find out
hmm.
if the feet ever do collide with something, then you will know whether or not it's ground or not. That will be.
Yeah.
Fortunately, kind of what we have to do because the limitations of our hitbox, and also that's what Unity does. And that's what Unity does because I've tried making Unity games before. Also seen the development of many Unity games, and that's what they do.
Isn't
I
that in 3D though?
Yes, it works in
That's
2D as well.
completely different.
Nope, it works in 2D.
Are you sure?
I've tried to make it Unity 2D. It was called like
Uh,
platformer something. But no, totally. I unfortunately this
even
will.
if you were to make a triangle that oh damn it. Okay, if we get the y value, right? We get the y value between the 2 points. That I already have a thing where you get the two closest points. Uh of whatever colliding object it is. Maybe we get the y value. We just set the player's position based on their velocity to that y or x value. Because really, the velocity already tells us the direction, right?
Right.
Because if we're colliding with something, that means the velocity was in that direction. So we're not gonna have problems where like if the player jumps and then falls back down, they're not gonna collide with that object, right? Pretty sure. Frick. Okay, player here. Thing. Shoot, my dad's knocking my.
No. Just give it half a chance, honey. Crash into A lot of money. Not Bonnie, but it's still rock and roll. Doesn't matter what they say, and the paper says it's always been the same old thing. Now, why is that? One. Oh. Alright. Oops. Oh, I forgot. If tile texture still equals null, actually, if tile texture still equals dot tile dot multi-tile, tile texture, not else, tile texture equals multi-tile.
Hispanic!
Hello.
Bro was part of the Hoplite Testers team.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I used to be in that Discord. Long time ago. More like 2 months ago, but like, yeah.
Well,
My ass when I my ass when I work on Hoplite. See, you're working on trees, but you don't touch them. So like, you can't make realistic trees if you don't know what a tree is.
well. Look what we have here.
I have a snow day tomorrow.
Ooh.
Mm.
That's good.
Yeah,
Almost did.
That's because Dallas doesn't exist. On a map, there's no Dallas, so like, there's no proof that it exists.
Dallas.
Yeah, why would you exist, Camden? In suburbia.
Game was not set to a reference of an object. How does that happen?
You guys want to move to Johannesburg?
Johannesburg. What's in Johannesburg?
Joanna. What's the capital of Tokyo?
But it is the capital.
What's the capital of South Korea?
It's like not Pyongyang. That's North.
Pyongyang is crazy.
That's North Korea. Seoul.
No,
Huh?
they moved the capital somewhere irrelevant,
Oh.
and you won't think all that exists there are government buildings.
Hmm.
I don't actually know. I just watched a video on it. Wait, no, it is Seoul.
Oh. Guess I have to go there.
But it's actually Sejong City. Because they want to relocate the capital.
Why is long grass out of all things not?
What fucking history is there to it? Oh, well, I guess. The city's existed since 2007.
That's really short.
Yeah.
Long grass pieces.
It is the administrative capital de facto of Korea. To arouse. Anyway. The best city, Sejong, we all have dreamed happy.
All dreams.
Yeah. What is the administrative capital of Korea?
Republic of Korea, probably.
No. What?
I haven't.
Yeah, that's because you smell.
Hey. Also, the grass texture. R. R. Now, I have a question. Text. There it is. Why did it make it 16? It's 8. Stupid AI. So stupid.
Why does this city have a budget of 1.65 trillion?
Mm-hmm.
With 155 schools, 5 movie theaters, 6 museums, 300. Okay, well, there's a lot of stuff.
They really want this to be their new capital.
Housing ratio 111.4%. Fires 203. They're tracking active fires. Wait, how is it getting this information? Oh, it's from the census. Unless it's live updated. Where would it be live updated from? Could I critically exploit the fucking official government website of Korea? Yo, it's running Apache.
Funny.
All right, let's see. Let's see where this is getting its information from. Oh, it's just hard set. That's kind of dumb. You load all these fucking libraries for what?
Maybe they're stealing your data.
Going into what? Samsung's in Korea. That's the only thing in Korea. I'm not joking. Like their whole saying is like there are a few things you can't avoid in Korea: death, taxes, and Samsung. Like that's not a joke either. That's like an actual saying.
I'm not too surprised. Like, yeah, they're pretty. Let's see. That.
Oh wait, can I just get the direct IP of their server? Wow.
Well,
IP lookup.
at least you're being
No,
about
no DDoS protection. Naver Cloud Corp. It's not even in. It's in freaking. Wow, I did not want to know information on the domain, but sure. Damn, their website's kind of cool. Why do they have? Oh, they have a stock. I hear your cat.
Gee.
Why does he meow so much?
I don't know. Knows. Yes, if I had to sacrifice a person or animal in this house, she knows who it would be. Right, Boo? You know I would sacrifice my brother, right? That's why she tries to wail so much. She's trying to warn him. Alright. Why is that not doing? Is supposed to be doing. Why is it not doing? What
They're
it
Mexican
is?
and Honduran? Wow. They got the double whammy Hispanic combo.
Oh, I see. Oh, work. Yeah, you are. Man. Really are a weirdo. Do. 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 Mm, 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 mm. Alright, so I'm assuming the reason why it's returning null because receiving. I have to update my object serial. Now, I have a question. Why is it taking out? Just 0. S. me go through if this is 0, 0 equals and that. None of them should be null. God, the stupid DLL. Visual Studios. Onyxalis. Ow. Sense. Why is it only getting null? See what the type is. I see what the P. But still returning null. No, when I go in there, I'll see short grid. There's a texture 2D that's being returned.
Who was streamer of the year in 2023? I'll find it. Ludwig.
I thought it was Doug.
This is for the streamer awards. It's not official.
I mean, Doug is awesome.
I mean, best chess streamer is just Gotham Chess, and no one else like. Like it's Hikaru. It's Gotham Chess, Hikaru, Cramling, Botez. I don't think chess was a category. Oh no, it is. Oh, Botez won.
Ooh.
This was 2022, so chess hadn't blown up yet. Well, as much as it has today, this year, but
Right.
it still blew up. Still very popular. I love there's a whole category for Minecraft content. Dream game of the year was Elden Ring. 2023.
Fair. I keep forgetting Elden Ring came out 2020. That's really weird. I feel like it was 2 years ago. So that must mean one thing, which is that my texture generator is not generating textures. Let's see. Is it giving me null data? Bounds. Name, graphics device, width, non-public members.
Marketing.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Now, why? Data. Turning anything. Could be. Get it? Why is it turning not a texture? Oh. Oh. Wait. No, I set it to true. That's really curious. Why is that stupid? Skipping that directly to here. Oh. That should. No, the stupid DLL bug. There we go. All right. Why keep? Visual Studios 2022. Onyxalis. It's being loaded. Ah. Right, I was right. I was. Tile dot multi-tile. OG. X. Y. Piece position dot X. Piece. So we're also going to go over here. Set piece position equal to -1 and -1. Object serializer. Piece serializer. Chunk. So original parse that, and then like this Then we go, piece was equals yay, did it for me. There we go. All right. And then we do if piece_puz tile dot piece_puz does not equal eta1, which it can never equal anyways. Original or multi-tile multi-tile true tile dot piece or I mean, it saves speed to like not do. Tile dot original position equals x minus piece plus x tile plus x tile dot x minus tile piece plus dot x and then tile dot y minus tile piece plus dot y. And then we copy the code over to over here. And then we copy code over here. Amazing. Still equal 0. Now. You're a weird one. This is cat. Either of those things are being. Either of those. So we have to look. Chunk. Where could a multi-tile be generated?
Yo, I'm back. Oh, who's Jossbot?
That's a friend of mine.
Oh, awesome. Oh, they also do Discord dev, I think, right? Oh, damn. Holy. Holy crap, their website's actually. Oh my god. Okay. Damn. Good job. Holy. Dang, that's actually awesome. Is he out of high school, like college?
Nope.
He's in high school. Oh my god, this is insane. Hoplite. Wait, he works on Hoplite? Oh my god. Wait, actually? Holy. Dude, this guy's insane. This is like really good networking. Holy crap. Contact. Okay. That's fire. Damn. What did he make this in? Gotta ask him. Like, it's actually kind of.
HTML and CSS.
Oh my god. Oh, you're back. You're back. Yo.
I'm not gonna lie, I've been watching a YouTube video in the background and I just had your stream open and then I just saw you like looking at my profile and sending me a friend request, so I just stayed deafened and watched as because I saw your Discord and I saw that you were in the Hoplite Testers team Discord. So I was like, oh crap, once he sees it, he's gonna have a reaction. So I just waited.
Oh my god.
I just waited while muted.
That is cool though. That is cool. So you've done a lot of stuff. Wait, and you're still in high school.
The
That's crazy.
Camden better. Real.
Huh? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. What happened?
You're a cat boy, Camden.
Okay. Bum. Dang. So you have like good amount of experience. Like how many years? Does it say years?
3.
How many years you got?
3.
3.
Oh no, don't, no, not the shitty, not my shitty website code.
Bro, what?
I mean, use
it
a
should
framework.
be
This is all.
optimized, right?
I mean, it's optimized for SEO, except for the fact that I have an email on the site.
What errors? What could possibly?
Those are ad blockers.
Oh yeah. Just
Probably
Yo,
just
what?
cached.
Error could create tile.
Because those are Cloudflare. Those are trackers.
Cloudflare. Okay. Dang. Good job, man. Wait, how do you guys know each other?
I've known Camden a long time. MCMH.
Yo. Hey.
Back about 3 years ago.
Damn.
Only 3 years ago. Wow.
That is crazy.
Camden's seen every phase of me.
Wait, he's not on the team though.
Hey, this works both ways. I've had some embarrassing.
I mean, I'm
he's on the team.
not
What?
doing anything right now. So like in general, I'm not working on any projects.
Nice.
I'm so confused
I can
on
tell.
the.
I can tell you what I'm working on. Pain.
Also, my
is he-
website is so wildly out of date that it's crazy. Like half the Discord's links on there don't work.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah, update. That.
yeah.
I mean, you
Oh,
should be able
shoot.
to like create an invite that doesn't expire. Or I'm guessing like the whole.
Sometimes it might get deleted or moved or
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you actually want more NAR?
Where is this tile being generated? How is it being generated?
Wait, you're live streaming this?
Yes.
He's been live streaming.
Nice.
I actually joined earlier in the day to yell at him, calling him a femboy publicly, but like he was deafened.
I can hear myself. This is so weird.
Hablas español?
Who watching?
Wow.
Wait, I can play anything to get him copyright striked. No.
Oh.
That is enough to get him
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
copyright strike.
The what?
What I just played is enough to get him copyright strike.
Oh shoot.
He's not gonna get copyright strike. He has
Yeah, 'cause it's a stream.
195 subscribers and 2 watching. Like,
Yeah.
Hey.
that's
Oh,
not a
yeah,
bad
have you
thing. It just
seen,
means we
like,
can just
the-
say random shit.
Have you seen the game generation? Holy crap. It's
I don't
actually
actually know what this game is, nor do I know C#. So like,
it's
This
crazy.
is-
He made
this
this
is
tile.
beautiful.
This is procedurally generated by Camden. It's insane. And I'm working
you know
on
what
the
else
physics
is
and I don't know what I'm
insane?
doing.
Camden, not
Don't make
knowing-
your mom joke.
No. You know what else is insane? A
What?
game engine.
Yeah, no, I'm not using
Yeah,
I'm not gonna use one, I'm
that's
sorry.
Yeah.
Bro was
we're
learning the
too-
entirety of C# to do nothing with it in a game engine. I really
Yeah.
recommend it though, Camden, for the 4th time in your game development career.
Good
You
luck.
I
should
refuse to
really
use an
learn
engine.
an engine.
I refuse to use an engine. I will not
Why?
conform.
Yeah, you know.
No
For a
game is
game
coded
to-
without an engine now.
Oh,
Unless you want to be a game
uh,
engine developer, then you don't even need to know C#.
Wow. I mean, frameworks exist for a reason.
What?
What frameworks? Pygames? I don't think that's so much for game development.
Hey, Mono Game isn't that bad.
Have you seen
Yes.
Fluffy Dev or frick? What's his name? Fluffy. Hold on. Is it Fluffy?
Well,
Fluffy Potato. Fluffy Potato. Yeah, the Fluffy Potato. Why does he have his DMs open?
Every
That's
dev
pretty-
has their DMs open. Every
he's
YouTuber
like-
has their DMs open.
Oh,
But he has a lot of subs. It's kind of crazy.
I've never seen this guy.
He made all of this crap in Pygame.
I mean, I'm not disregarding the ability of Pygame. I'm just saying.
It's insane. It's insane.
I'm just saying. Number 1, he's using C#. Number 2,
look, there's nothing wrong with C#, okay?
number 2, he has 10 years of fucking experience with Pygame. So like, I
Okay.
expect him to be decently good at Pygame.
Yeah, no joke, no joke. If it was any worse, then that'd be kind of sad. But
Okay, look, now I'm starting to get insulted here. Okay.
No, I'm just trying to bully you into using a game engine. That's what's happening here right now.
base no work. Hold on.
I'm going to cyberbully you into using a game engine. Otherwise, I do the alternative method, which is I buy a ticket to Dallas, and I come there and I slap you in the face.
Look, I would take that slap in the face if it means I don't have to. I will not conform. I will
Camden,
not
I know
use
where
an
you
engine.
live now.
I think everyone here.
Dallas. Yeah, I know.
As you know,
Okay.
I live in a major city. That's why you cannot hear any traffic outside.
North Korea. Oh, my bad.
No, he actually lives in Sejong City. You don't know the
Ah.
context of that, but
St.
or
John City.
Minecraft.
Oh, not
St. John City. That's crazy.
I don't need my hourly cookie.
How
rate
much
is
acceleration
but
do we need?
cookie
What?
mine?
Wait a minute. I'm not going down. Oh, there we go. All right, I need to fix that. 100. Maybe half of that. What? Okay, we need to fix that. Yeah.
Wow, this is a lot of if statements.
Yeah. I don't know. Okay, so Camden, how do we? Oh, is he pressed a thing? No.
What happened to switch
Frick.
cases?
Do I have to actually program the key up to
What happened to switch cases?
switch cases?
Switch
Is that even in C
Just don't
sharp?
look
What
at the
the
dictionary. Don't look at the dictionary. I was lazy. Okay. I
Um,
didn't want to make a
yeah.
JSON reader.
Oh,
I didn't want to
you're
make a
funny.
JSON reader. I hate when
Everyone.
No,
Dictionary
no, you can't do this to
Camden.
me.
Default, dictionary, default, dictionary,
Quality.
You
default.
can't do this to me.
Wait, can I get text to speech to read this?
You can't do this to me.
Let's
Here
make
we
some
go.
music.
No.
Someone yell at him.
Text to
He's screaming this.
speech. Yeah.
You can't do this to me.
Let's have Tony read this. Let's have Tony.
You know
Tony
what?
read
I'm
this.
going to fucking Santio's
Um,
hiding spot. This is gonna be a public statement. Don't
No.
Can you?
read this.
No, you can't do this to me.
Can you hear this?
Oh my god.
This is some good music.
Look. Okay.
Wait, why is it
What
not
happened
reading
to
the rest?
config? Like what?
I was too
fuck?
lazy. I was too lazy.
Bro was too lazy to get
JSON
make a
exists,
JSON reader.
Camden.
JSON reader C#.
Look, okay. I have 8 days to finish this for the game jam, okay?
Guys. Okay,
Oh my
guys.
God.
Camden, this was probably faster. Just put it in.
Didn't you make a whole day for optimizing code?
I didn't end up being able to use it because I had to drive around my parents.
Oh, that's right. Can you hear the thing?
Okay, Camden, let me just check general real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna
I
make
saw it.
Guy.
Look
Wait,
at
why is
that.
his
Look
name
at that.
Guy?
Look at that. Look at that.
Where's Guy? Guy. There we go.
You haven't even seen all the dictionaries yet. That's just one of them.
Oh, you want to see the rest? Where's the rest actually? Where is the rest, Camden? I'm
Look at
scared.
This is
dude.
what you don't wanna
look at
be.
Tile.
I'm scared. Uh oh.
You know what? I'm sending this to your father. Camden.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
Look.
Camden.
Okay. Again, I didn't want to make a JSON reader. I'd have to make the JSON and then
So you made a fucking constructor?
Look. Okay, I was just a bit.
You did something harder. I didn't want to make a
Multi-tile?
config.yml,
Oh,
so I made a fucking toggle. That's exactly what it is.
Where else?
You know what? You can go find them. I'm not gonna show you. You have to go look through my. I'm busy.
Wait,
okay? I have to look.
that means there's more.
No.
That means there's more. Eh?
You gotta...
Why didn't you write a multi-line comment? What is this? Hold on, let me fix this. Control K. There we go. I fixed it.
But now everything's red.
What are you talking about? It's like all green, bro. You colorblind? Okay.
Alright. Controls Z, please.
Or that.
Thank you.
That works. Why is this blue? That's kind of weird. Is that like a editor thing?
That's an editor. thing,
Special
it's kinda
word.
bug.
Yeah. That is weird.
Man, if only there was a way to code C# files.
That's a good point. I never thought of that.
Yeah.
JetBrains IDE.
Hold on. Let me quickly just edit a couple things.
Bro just publicly showed his phone number and called it a day.
Where? Who?
You live within a 10-mile radius of Camden.
Yeah.
Potentially, yes.
Oh, give me a second.
Oh no.
You want my father's first and last name so you can get the exact address in the county?
I have a feeling I could just like list out random last names and I'd probably get it.
You'll find one.
I
It's
love
probably
Probably.
like Smith or something.
Onyxalis, DLL could not copy to Onyxalis DLL because Studios has locked this file because I clicked stop and start too quickly.
It'd be easier to make a database handler than what the fuck you did for your This is the code.
That was
This
why.
is the
Why
code
didn't we use JSON, Camden? I could have
This is
programmed
the
that. That
code
could have
that
been
I
something for
saw.
me to program.
in Camden's deluxe tags fork, guys? This is what I saw. Yeah,
Hey.
that.
Hey,
But I don't see anything.
I didn't
are
actually
you
get
are
that
you
far
screen
into
sharing?
deluxe tags. Hey, come on. Deluxe tags was bad before I started on it. That was the problem.
What are you referring to?
Okay, so I got a plugin commission a while ago.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you
Uh,
never did it.
I never did it because it was because the
Ooh.
original code they gave me.
The deadline was
so
2 months
bad.
before you were like halfway worth.
Oh my
The
god.
code was so bad.
The client legitimately like stopped replying.
Oh my god.
This isn't the
How much
first
was
time.
the commission? If you
Like
don't mind me asking.
$200.
It was a bit.
Dude. What?
Look again. I looked at the code. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have.
It was
to
a
redo
paid
everything.
trial too. Like he was going to
Oh
make
my
money
God.
off of like a future thing. Like it would have had more to it.
Camden.
Who
Why?
the fuck? I did not order a receipt order for fucking $5.8 billion. I'm sorry. What?
$5.8 billion.
Bro.
Where do they think you're getting that money?
Your mom. Anyway.
That's it.
You can't block my soundboard. You can't block my soundboard.
Let's. What things can
Oh yeah, you got Sondex too. I forgot about that. Did you figure out how to like set up the cable input?
no?
Yo, I got to reply to like
That's-
20 people today.
Damn, dude.
Camden, can you do my plugin for me?
What is it in?
Java.
Oh frick. I gotta actually learn C# and Java before. Cause like I'm a PyDev, really goofy. And then for this game jam, I'm doing C#. Real switch.
I just I needed somebody to help at least a little, so I decided to get a PyDev. And, it's been an experience, to say the least.
It's a good experience for me.
It's
Very good
great experience for you. Absolutely.
But for you, just gonna be honest, may or may not have been a goofy move.
You know what? I'm dragging Zora
But-
in here.
Zor. What are you putting as Zor thing?
Hem
It's a-
for game jam.
Oh, you know about
You're about to
Camden's
meet a
Square Root thing,
Minehut
right?
developer.
Sorry, both of you are speaking at once, one at a time.
Oh,
Josh
shoot,
first.
my bad.
Zora is Minehut developer. Good friend of mine. I'm inviting them here because I want to do game development.
All right.
Well,
This
not
is actually
anymore.
gonna be an
Minehut
interesting
developer.
call. I get to network with really cool people. Camden,
You want to network with people?
Thank you.
Give me a second.
well,
Hey, we should probably both network here.
Yeah, but you're in a Discord filled with people who who are like really
Holy
good
crap.
developers.
holy, yo!
Okay, now I
Is
need
this
to
the,
verify
is
you.
the
No, it's just a friend Discord filled with people. Verify the dude who
so cool,
joined.
though.
Liz, thanks.
Lethal Company, yo,
Okay,
rule
so
number one.
go to
there will be
verify-
peace.
go
Rule
to
number
verify
two-
channel.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Message
Oh, yell
Santio
it.
meow verify
Or
me. Oh,
I could join
that
them
worked.
in.
okay,
Ner-
sure.
Well, I guess we're going over there by stream, turning this off because it's a private